Have you ever wondered what a bug out camp looks like? It's not that complicated. Today I've set mine up in my backyard and I would like to give you a tour.
You just got to get prepared.
You may have heard before that after the initial disaster, the second emergency is going to be the spread of disease. So we want to make sure that we're taking care of hygiene and sanitation issues. As you can see behind me, this is my portable bathroom with a place to go number 1 and number 2. You can also see this garbage can behind me. This is where the number 2s go once that first container gets filled up. Because hygiene is so important, I've created a wash station to try to keep those germs down. It's kind of fun. I've got a little laundry bucket there along with a laundry line to hang things up. I've got a place where you can do dishes. You can also wash your hands. This hand washing station is something fun, that little project I've done where you can actually push a foot pedal and have the water come out of the spout. The next main space is this awning. It acts as our kitchen, our family room, our dining room. It's the place where things get done. In this corner is where we keep our food. We store our food, we prep our food, we cook our food. All sorts of food things are happening in this space. Now that you've seen where we keep the food, let me show you where we keep the water. We've got 10 gallons of water down there in bottles, and behind me here in that silver container is a Berkey water filter to be able to treat the water for our needs. A few other things I've got stored on that wall. I've got a container that I keep all of my cooking equipment in, along with my first aid kit in case we have any need for that. In this other corner of the awning is where we keep our electronics. We've got a solar panel going on there, along with a little battery pack to keep all of our electronics charged. We've got our communication devices and our flashlights and little things that we want to be able to keep powered up. So that's all happening on this corner of the awning. One little item that's nice to have in camp is a table. You can prep food on it, you can eat on it, you can play games, all sorts of fun things you can do with the table. So if you have the space, it's a great thing to bring along. As you can see, this camp has an outdoor space. So if we want to do some cooking or just relaxing by the fire, it has a perfect little fire spot just right outside the awning to be able to come and enjoy that area as well. The final space that I wanted to share with you is the sleeping quarters. This here is a 6-man tent, but it holds 4 people perfectly along with our gear. Let me show you around. So this is our 4-man tent. It's got space for 2 bags on this side, 4 sleeping bags, and 2 more bags over here. It's got this fun little fan light up here, so if we want to move some air around, it's perfect to be able to do that. And the final thing that I really enjoy is this little Mr. Heater that we can bring in or move around camp wherever we need to be able to give a little extra heat if it's needed. That's it, my bug out camp in my backyard. I hope that this helps you to see what components you can put together for your family camp to be able to have all the things that you need to be able to take care of your family. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.